Welcome back. Now, once we have the premium level, we can look at who's viewed our profile in a different way. So if we go to our profile and we click on who's viewed our profile, that'll bring us to this page where we'll get to look at who's viewed our profile over the last 90 days. And of course, then we can message these individuals. If they are a first level connection, meaning that we are already connected to us on LinkedIn, we will not have to use any of our InMails. If they're second or third level connections, then we may have to use an InMail in order to speak to them. The one thing that we can do is we can strengthen our profile, and LinkedIn will give us hints on how strong our profile is based on their metric. And what you want to do is you want to add in content that you know will attract individuals to your profile. This will typically mean editing our experience to make sure that we have the right keywords that people will be looking for so that when our profile shows up, we'll be considered relevant. The other thing we can do is we can get recommendations. We want to have recommendations relevant to the kind of people that we are looking to target based on keywords that we want to use. And so what we can do here is we can ask our first level contacts to give us recommendations, and we can write their name in this area. And as we start writing them in, you'll see your first level contacts come in, and you'll be able to write them a note based on something that you've had in terms of interaction. And of course, the two elements under your control would be to post content as well as to write articles on LinkedIn. The reach of your posts will be determined by your SSI index. And so you want to make sure that you're always increasing this number so that your posts will reach more individuals and get more people interested. And once again, LinkedIn gives you clues on the kinds of things that you can do to increase this number. And one of the easiest ways to influence the algorithm to increase your score is to engage in consistent activity. So you want to make sure that you schedule your activity on a daily basis toward this end, remembering that LinkedIn supports activity that keeps individuals on their network, and that includes you also. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.